Hello everyone, this is me Sharon. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano gawin itong mini tulip bud keychain. So, pwede nyo rin po gamitin ang mga scrap yarns nyo, lalo na yung mga premium. Syempre, kung nangihinayang kayong itapon, maganda po na gawin yung project ito, lalo na malapit na yung Valentine's at tamang-tama po at maibebenta nyo pa. So, sa mga materials po, ang gagamitin natin ay syempre yung keyring, and then also yung yarn needle, stitch marker, 3.5mm, and scissors. So, gagawa muna tayo ng magic ring and then chain 1 to bring up the yarn. Tapos, we're gonna work 5 single crochet into the ring. Once done, we're going to pull the yarn tight para ma-close yung gap. Tapos, we're going to work in spiral. And to work in spiral, we're going to work 1 single crochet into the first chain made. And then 1 single crochet into each of the remaining 4 single crochets. So we're going to repeat this until we reach round 5. Bale, ito po yung stem ng ating mini tulip bud. So when we get to the last stitch of round 5, we're going to finish it with a new color of the yarn. So this is going to be what the color of your tulip bud is, and then we're going to tie both tails at the back once we cut off the green yarn. For round 6, we're going to work 2 single crochets into each stitch around. For round 7, we're going to work 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet into every second stitch around. For round 9, mag-work tayo ng 2 single crochet into every 4th stitch around. Ito ba yung pinaka-last na increase natin, and then after that, we're just going to work 1 single crochet into each stitch around up to round 15. So from round 10 to 15, we'll just work 1 single crochet into each stitch, and we should have a total of 25 single crochets. Once ma-finish natin yung round 15, ang mangyayari niyan is ika-cut off na natin yung yarn, and then maglalagay tayo ng fiber fill. Dapat hindi puno para hindi siya masyadong bulky. So after natin malagyan, kailangan halos kalahati lang siya, and then saka natin tatahiin ngayon para maiporma nating tulip bud. So makikita nyo naman pa cross section ang ginagawa ko na pagtahi para courting tulip bud siya. And then after nyan, bale itutusok ko lang siya doon sa ibang mga stitches para ma-secure at hindi siya basta-basta makakalas. So pwede nyo gawin yung ginagawa ko. And then kung nangihinayang kayo dun sa tali niya, pwede nyo naman isiksik sa loob para hindi nyo na kailangang gupitin yung excess na yarn. Pagkatapos nito ay gagawa naman tayo ng pinakadahon para mukha talaga siyang mini tulip. So make a slip knot, and then we're going to chain 10. Yan lang yung haba na gusto ko. Pwede nyo habaan if gusto nyo. On the second chain from hook, work 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet into the next, and then 1 double crochet into each of the next 5 chains. Susunod, 1/2 double crochet, and then dun sa pinaka final na stitch, mag-work tayo ng 3 single crochet. So ito na bali yung pinaka peak ng ating dahon, tapos imi-mirror lang natin kung ano yung stitches na nilagay natin sa opposite side niya. So kung ang katapat niya ay single crochet, maglalagay tayo single crochet, 1/2 double crochet, and also yung 1 double crochet into each of the next 5 stitches hanggang sa makarating tayo sa pinaka dulo or yung end of the row natin. Tapos, slip stitch natin dun sa first single crochet na ginawa natin, and then tapos na. Cut off na lang natin yung yarn, and then itatahi natin doon sa ating stem ng mini tulip bud. So, once na itahi na yan, ready na ang ating tulip bud at maglalagay na lang tayo ng keyring. So, dun sa iba, dinidikit nila gamit yung glue gun, or kung wala kang glue gun, pwede mo na lang itahi dun sa pinakadulo, dun sa pinaka chain ng ating keyring. Just make sure na hindi siya basta-basta kakalas. And ito na nga po ang ating mini tulip bud keyrings, at sana ay nagustuhan niyo po ang aking video tutorial. If you like this video, do not forget to hit like, comment down below para sa ibang mga requests, and I'll see you in my next video. Maraming salamat po!